Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John, and I'm just gonna be doing a quick video. It's going to be for the Mainstay 42-inch white ceiling fan. So in this video, it's just a quick self-explanation. All right. So when you install the ceiling fan and you start running it, and you notice that it's not blowing cool air, so the reason probably why is that you have to use the switch right over here. Okay. So, because it's either they reverse the motor and it blows the cool air, or if you reverse the switch, then it takes the air up and the warmer air is blown. So, just a quick explanation. You can also refer to your manual. It's also most important that you keep the manual when you get this product, because if you have any problems, you can always refer to it. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So once you put it in the down position just like that, it's going to be for the summertime. That way it blows up cool air. And then you use the switch back there going up, and that's going to be for the winter time. So again, down for summertime, up for winter time. Okay. Hey, that was just a quick video. Appreciate you checking out this video really quickly. Go ahead and also check out my other videos on my YouTube channel for the Mainstay 42-inch ceiling fan. It's going to be for the unboxing, the manual, in case you lose your manual, also for setting up the blades, and also for this mount. I'm also going to have another video for the testing. So when it's fully running, you'll see the lights and a review. Hey, thanks a lot. You guys have a great day, and bye.